Hey guys, welcome back. And in today's video, we'll be taking a look at this egg boiler that's manufactured by Inalsa. With the model that I bought, I even got a steaming bowl free, so that's an additional value. And yeah, on the online shopping sites, you might find a lot of alternatives to this. But the reason I went for this is that Inalsa is a well-known brand, and this thing is also food grade certified. I mean, the material used here is food grade, so when you boil eggs, you can be rest assured that the stuff is food grade. So let's go ahead and open this, open the box that we've got. Okay, so the first thing that we have here is the instruction manual, and it's also the warranty card. So you should definitely go through all of the things that are written here, but let me just highlight the important ones. Here's the operational part. So you can boil up to 7 eggs, and yeah, you can make them soft, medium or hard. So how to do that is there's a glass container and I mean the measuring cup in which you can either load 20 ml, 30 ml or 50 ml water depending on the hardness of the eggs that you need. And yeah, additionally they have also given the cooking times, the approximate time. All right, and here are the safety instructions. So these ones are pretty important, and there are some troubleshooting instructions as well. So let's keep this away for a while, but when you purchase this product, definitely go through all of the things written in this. And by the way, I've given the link to buy this in the description section below. So if you want the exact same product, do check the description section. Okay, so I'm gonna keep the box away. And also clear off the plastic wrapping. Okay, this looks like the steaming bowl. So if you have like small veggies or stuff that you need to steam, this bowl can be used. And this is the measuring cup. So if you want hard boiled eggs, you should go for this limit, and if you want soft eggs, you should fill water till here and then fill it in the unit below. So that's the measuring cup. And this is the transparent lid. So it has an outlet for steam to pass by, so ensure that you don't take your face or your hands near this section while it's in operation. So let's keep this away. And here's the egg tray. So this is where you would be placing the 7 eggs, and in this basically you would be adding some water before you start the cooking process. So yeah, these are all the items that we have in here. Let's take a look at the plug. So this one is a standard plug. It's not the high ampere one, so it will plug into any of your standard sockets. And yeah, so I'm gonna plug this in, then I'll do a short demo of how you can cook eggs using this. Okay, so the first thing that we'll be doing here is adding some water into the container. So I want my eggs to be hard, so I'll fill it up to the hard marking. Alright, so that's the amount of water that I'll be adding in here. And then I will place this tray on top. And one more thing that I forgot to mention is this measuring cup has a little needle like thing over here. So with this you need to pierce the flatter side of the egg so that it doesn't burst or I mean explode in this egg cooker, because when it steams up it's gonna get hot and the thing in this will expand, so there are chances of this thing bursting. So let's pierce all of the eggs and then place them in the tray. So you make little holes, I mean just one hole, and do the same for the other eggs. So I'm going to pause the video for a while so that I can load these eggs, and then we'll start with the cooking process. Okay, so I've placed all of the eggs that I had. There's space for one more over here, but I have only 6, so let's go with 6 for now. So I've placed the lid, and this is going to take a few minutes, so I'll pause the video and we'll come back when it's done. Alright, so I think it's done with the cooking process because as per the instruction manual, once the water has evaporated in this, there's a light that was glowing on the front, so it goes off, and in my case it has gone off, so I think the cooking process is done. Now the next instruction is to switch off, unplug it from the mains, and then if you want the eggs immediately, you need to be careful because this thing is hot, and anyway nobody eats hot eggs, so I'm gonna keep this like this for maybe 5 minutes for this thing to cool down, and then we'll check the eggs.